Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, today I'm here to help you find out why you should upgrade to the Galaxy Flip 4 or why you shouldn't upgrade to the Galaxy Flip 4. Let's get started. So what's the biggest reason to upgrade? It has to be the battery. The battery has gotten a lot bigger compared to last year, and the Flip 3 was a great phone, but the battery was its Achilles heel. It was probably the worst part about the phone, and now they have improved it. 3,700 milliamps means about a 12% bump, so we should see at least 2 more hours from it, to be quite honest, depending on your usage. I really think this is a good step up. Plus, it also has faster charging, going from 15-watt charging to 25-watt charging, so it will charge faster as well. While the cameras didn't have a big improvement, one improvement was the main sensor. It is a bigger sensor compared to last year, which means better low light shots should be able to be taken with this new phone. And finally, it does have the fastest processor out of any Samsung smartphone, and yes, that does include it is going to be better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra when it comes to the processor. Now, why shouldn't you upgrade? Well, I definitely think that the camera improvements aren't as good as they could have been. I really would have loved to see the 50 megapixel sensor that we got on the Fold and the S22 series on this phone, but it did miss out on it, and I don't know why. Another reason why I would hold off is going to be software. A lot of the big improvements are on software. The cover display and flex mode. These are features that should be coming to the Flip 3 eventually. You might have to wait a little while, but it should come to it. So what is my verdict? I think if you do want a foldable device, this is the best one you can get for the money. Honestly, the Flip 4 really is going to be the best overall performer. If you just want a foldable for the first time, this is the one to get. Now, I will say if you have the Flip 3, you might want to hold off on the Flip 5 unless you are a person that is just going through your battery way too quickly that you can't stand it, having to charge in the middle of the day. This one should get you closer to the end of the day every time. So if you're one of those, then you might want to think about the Switch. Wait, that's me. Are you going to buy the Galaxy Flip 4? Let me know in the comments section. Pre-orders are the best time because you get the most money for your trade-in. So let me know if you're going to buy it or if you're going to buy something else. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.